Assalamu alaikum viewers. I Javed Shaheen we're describing about the LiFi architecture. Please subscribe my channel Javed Network Expert so that you can see my upcoming videos and be connected with the latest network technologies. Today I'm discussing about the LiFi architecture. What is LiFi? LiFi stands for light fidelity. As we earlier known about the Wi-Fi, that is wireless fidelity. Now, in the next era, we will use LiFi. LiFi is just like Wi-Fi. Both are used for data receiving and transmission in the internet. Both are used for the data communication. But a little bit difference between these LiFi and Wi-Fi. If we say about the Wi-Fi, that is Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity, as we say. Where we used wireless mean that there are radio signals, radio transmitters are used, and routers are used for the data communication. And we say Wi-Fi is used for internet accessing by using Wi-Fi hotspot, through which we use internet. If we say about the range, Wi-Fi range is about to 30 meter, while if we say about the LiFi, its range is about to the 10 meter. If we say about the speed, so Wi-Fi speed is start from 10 MB per second to maximum 1 GB per MB per second. While if we say about the LiFi, then it is 1 GB per second. So as compared to speed, the LiFi is very speedy. It is also very secure, but there are some disadvantages. That the walls block the lights. So in this case, LiFi is under observations. While if we say about the Wi-Fi, so it used wireless. Then the walls you can say waves, radio signals may continue. Let's start about the LiFi. Come to our lecture. LiFi is a typically implemented using white LED light bulbs. LED stands for light emitting diode. Light emitting diodes are used in LiFi technology instead of routers as used in the Wi-Fi. And these devices are normally used for illumination by applying a constant current through the LED. However, if we say about the fast and the variations of the current, the optical output can be made to vary at extremely high speed. LiFi is wireless optical networking technology that uses light emitting diode for data transmission. Both, as I have said, that the Wi-Fi and LiFi both are wireless technologies, but in wireless fidelity we used radio signals and routers. Radio frequencies are used in Wi-Fi. As I say in the LiFi, we used light instead of radio signals, and light in the form of LED, LED bulb, light emitting diode. As you say in diagram, LED bulbs are stands from the roof side, and all users are using internet connections under these LED bulbs. Let me say about LiFi architecture. LiFi can be thought of as a light-based Wi-Fi. As I have said, both LiFi and Wi-Fi both are used for wireless communication. But if we say it is Wi-Fi, then we say it is light-based Wi-Fi. That is, it uses light instead of radio waves to transmit information. And instead of Wi-Fi modems, LiFi would use transceiver fitted LED lamps that can light a room as well as transmit and receive information. If we can say that we get two benefits from the LiFi technology. We illuminate our room, our offices, and we also benefit from it. We use internet connection, data receiving and transmission from these LED bulbs. If we say its uses, that LiFi basically is used in airlines. They are basically practically experimental used in airlines as LED lights and also delivering internet services. And it is also used under sea, where we say wireless radio signals transmission is very tough, very difficult. But light, we say, as we know, light transmit in water. So under sea, its experiments are used. As we say, LiFi would use transceiver LED lamps. It is possible to encode data in the light by varying the rate at which the LED flicker on and off to give different string of ones and zero. Definitely, basically, wireless signals which are we say from mobile, our wireless signals are transmit and the LED bulbs receiving them, and also encoding, decoding them from wireless signals to light signals and make them digital to analog in the form of lights and other forms. As we know, the communication is in form of ones and zero. The LED intensity is modulated so rapidly that human eyes cannot notice, so the output appears constant. Definitely, just like rotors, LED lamps use driver, and there are some drivers which are manufactured in LED bulbs, which are used to encode, decode these signals, either in the light forms, either in the wireless forms, either in the digital forms, whatever is the need of the communication at that spot. LED lamps encoding, decoding these signals. So these encoding, decoding definitely is very fast. As I have said, LiFi light fidelity is giving the 1 GB per second speed for transmission and receiving of data. So in fluctuation on and off, it does not notice by the human eyes. Let me say about the LiFi design. In the diagram, I have tried to elaborate how LED lamps divides the signals. As internet signals come into lamp device, or the server signals these are streaming content, we say, comes into the lamp ID. Here we say LED lamp is connected with the device. Here we say, and LED lamp definitely illuminate lights. We say the lights are transmitting from the LED lamps. These lights are under the PC, our tab, our laptop, any other device. You can say these devices are under the lamp, and communication is start between PC and server, between laptop and internet, whatever is the task, we say the communication will start. If we say about the architecture, definitely when we are making a network which is consisting of Lifi design, definitely there are a number of LED bulbs are used to make a Lifi architecture. The important factor which we should consider while designing Lifi: presence of light, line of sights. These two things are under observations. We should care and make presence of light for communication secure, continuously, uninterrupted, and the line of sight, so that the devices come, whatever the lamp, their communication may not deny it. Communication must be consistent. So for this we used fluorescent light and LED that perform better, and our network become more secure, faster, speedy, reliable. So this is about the Lifi architecture and Lifi design. In my next lecture I will discuss about the design further and use of Lifi, comparison, etc. Inshallah, in next lecture I will discuss all these things. Till that, subscribe my channel so that you can know about Lifi in my next video. Keep me in your prayers. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.